Hey everyone, welcome to Make Money Online with AI Tools. If you are a creative looking to leverage the power of AI, or just looking for a side hustle to make money, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to walk you through the incredible world of AI-powered creativity and show you how to use these tools to turn your passion into a profitable side hustle. Whether you're just starting out or looking for new ways to scale your creative business, this is for you. Plus, if you want a step-by-step guide to building your own AI-based side hustle blueprint, don't forget to check out my ebook, AI Side Hustle. It's packed with actionable tips whether you're looking to make extra income or launch a full-blown creative business. Link is in the description. Let's get into it. In recent years, AI has transformed various industries, and the creative sector is no exception. It is changing the game, and people are making money online faster than ever. Whether you're a complete beginner or just looking for an easy side hustle, AI tools like ChatGPT, Copy.ai, Midjourney, Immersive Fox, Murph.ai can help you write content, design graphics, create videos, and even generate voiceovers automatically. And the best part, you don't need any special skills. Just plug into these AI tools, follow the right strategy, and start earning. In this video, I'm breaking down 5 powerful ways to make money online using AI, step by step. So stick around, because by the end of this, you'll know exactly how to start your own AI-powered income stream. Alright, first up, AI content creation. This is one of the easiest and most profitable ways to make money with AI right now. Businesses, blogs, and marketers need tons of content every day, but writing takes time. That's where AI tools like ChatGPT, Google Gemini, Claude AI, and Bing AI come in. These tools can write blog posts, social media captions, product descriptions, and even full ebooks in just a few clicks. So how do you make money? Offer freelance writing on Fiverr or Upwork. People will pay you to generate AI-written content for them. Start your own blog and monetize it with ads, affiliate links, or sponsored posts. Sell AI-generated content packs, like email templates or social media captions on Gumroad or Etsy. Launch a newsletter and build a paying audience with valuable AI-powered content. Now, if you charge just $50 per AI-written article, writing 10 a week adds up to an extra $500. And with AI, you're not spending hours writing, it's all done in minutes. Want to go bigger? You can scale this into a full-blown business by offering AI-assisted ghostwriting services, or even selling AI-written books on Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, KDP. The possibilities are endless. If you love the idea of getting paid to generate content without actually writing it, this is a goldmine you don't want to miss. And that's just the beginning. Next up, let's talk about how to use AI for copywriting and marketing. If you've ever seen an ad, a sales page, or even a catchy social media post, you've seen copywriting in action. And guess what? You don't need to be a pro writer to make money with this, because AI does all the heavy lifting. Tools like Copy.ai, Writesonic, and Designs.ai copywriter can generate high-converting ad copy, email sequences, product descriptions, and even full landing pages in seconds. So, how do you turn this into a money-making machine? Offer AI copywriting services on Fiverr, Upwork, or Freelancer.com. Businesses need persuasive copy, and they'll pay top dollar for it. Use AI to generate ad copies for Facebook, Instagram, and Google Ads, and sell them to small business owners. Launch your own AI-powered marketing agency, helping brands create sales-driven content at scale. Create and sell copywriting templates, like email sequences, sales pages, or social media captions on Gumroad or Etsy. Copywriters charge anywhere from $100 to $1,000 for a single landing page. With AI, you can generate one in minutes and start making serious cash. And if you want passive income, Bundle AI-generated copy into a digital product like a done-for-you ad copy pack, and sell it over and over again. AI is revolutionizing marketing, and now is the perfect time to tap into AI-powered copywriting. Up next, let's talk about how to make money with AI graphic design. If you've ever struggled with creating eye-catching visuals for your business, social media, or website, AI tools are here to save the day. Imagine having access to professional-level designs at the click of a button, no design skills required. With tools like Midjourney, Bing AI Image Maker, and Crayon, formerly DALL-E Mini, you can create stunning logos, social media graphics, website banners, and even unique artwork in seconds. So, how can you cash in on AI graphic design? Offer AI design services to businesses on platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, or 99 Designs. Companies always need high-quality visuals for marketing materials, and with AI, you can deliver them quickly. Create AI-generated stock photos or digital art and sell them on platforms like Shutterstock or Etsy. Custom, unique images are in high demand. Use AI tools to design social media posts, ads, and promotional material, and sell these templates to businesses or social media influencers. Launch a design agency where you combine AI tools with your creativity to offer quick, affordable design solutions to small businesses. For example, you could charge $50 to $200 per custom logo or social media pack. And with AI, you can create multiple designs in just a fraction of the time. Want even more income? Bundle your designs into digital products, like pre-made templates or social media kits, and sell them on platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, or Creative Market. With AI graphic design, you're unlocking an entire world of creative possibilities and income streams. Next up, AI video generation. In today's world, video content is king. Whether it's marketing ads, YouTube videos, or social media clips, people are always looking for high-quality video content. And now, with AI tools, you can create videos in minutes, without being a video expert. Tools like Marketing Blocks AI, Immersive Fox, and Studio did make it super easy to create professional-grade videos with just a few clicks. Whether you need a promo video, explainer video, or social media ad, AI can handle it all. So, how can you turn this into a money-making opportunity? Offer AI video creation services. Businesses, entrepreneurs, and marketers are constantly looking for video content, and they'll pay for fast, professional results. Start a video marketing agency where you create AI-generated videos for clients, helping them promote their products and services. Use AI video tools to create YouTube videos and monetize them through ads, affiliate marketing, or sponsorships. Create video ad templates and sell them on platforms like Gumroad or Etsy. Businesses love ready-to-go video ads for their campaigns. Just for a custom AI-generated promotional video, you could charge $100 to $500. And with tools like Marketing Blocks AI, you can produce high-quality videos in just a fraction of the time it takes a traditional video editor. The best part, you can create scalable income by offering package deals for clients, helping them with ongoing video needs, or even setting up a monthly video content service. AI video generation is game-changing for anyone looking to make money online quickly and easily. And lastly, let's talk about how to use AI for audio generation. If you've ever wanted to create professional-sounding voice-overs, podcasts, or audiobooks without recording anything yourself, AI is your secret weapon. With AI tools like Murph.ai, Hugging Face's Kiki XTTS, and Otter.ai, you can generate lifelike, human-sounding voices for any type of content. Whether you're producing a podcast, voice-overs for ads, or narrating audiobooks, these tools can create realistic audio from text in minutes. So, how do you turn AI audio into money? Offer voiceover services on platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, or voices.com. Businesses and content creators need high-quality voiceovers for their videos, ads, and presentations, and with AI, you can deliver in record time. Start your own AI-powered podcast where you use AI voices to narrate and create content, then monetize it through ads or sponsorships. Turn your written content into audiobooks. AI tools can read your ebooks, articles, or blog posts, and you can sell them on Audible or other audiobook platforms. Create voiceover packs or audio content that others can buy and use for their own videos, ads, or podcasts. And, for a voiceover project, you could charge $50 to $300, depending on the length and complexity. With AI tools, you can easily create multiple voiceovers in a day, turning this into a steady stream of income. What's even better, you can automate this and sell digital audio products like narrated ebooks or instructional podcasts, providing passive income while you sleep. AI audio generation opens up a whole new world for creating content on demand and earning money from it quickly. That's a wrap for today's video. Now it's time to put these AI tools to work and start making money online. And there you have it. You've just learned how to leverage the power of AI tools to start making money online today. Whether it's creating high-converting copy, stunning designs, professional videos, or even lifelike voiceovers, AI is your ticket to boosting your income. Remember, these tools are here to make your life easier and your business more profitable. It's all about working smarter, not harder, and using AI to automate tasks, generate content, and scale your business faster. So, what are you waiting for? Take action, get started with these tools, and start building your AI-powered side hustle today. If you're excited about the possibilities and ready to take the next step, don't forget to grab my ebook, AI Side Hustle. It's your complete guide to building a side hustle with AI, whether you're looking to make extra income or launch a full-blown creative business. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips on making money online with AI. Leave a comment below which AI tool you're most excited to try, or if you've already started using these tools to make money. I'd love to hear your success stories. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.